Yeah, we're very proud of our British heritage over the last 40 years of being a part of the manufacturing environment in the UK. We also recognise that a lot of our customers have a global manufacturing base, and they want to buy high quality emission systems in their local markets. So that's why last year we decided to start a joint venture in China, just outside of Shanghai, in order to deliver the high quality emission systems for local customers over in China, for both our existing and new customers in that region. Yeah, we've embarked on a huge investment plan for this year in order to expand our manufacturing capabilities here in the UK at our facility in Gainsborough. But we were also looking at reinvesting into new technologies to meet the fourth industrial revolution and make sure that our company is at the forefront of the manufacturing technologies that are available. In that sense, we've embarked on a project of replacing our flatbed lasers and tube laser, as well as bringing in hot flow rigs and test equipment in order to provide a better service to our customers. So in addition to investing in our workforce and upskilling our labour force here, we've embarked on a huge multi-million-pound CapEx project for 2018. Part of that will be refreshing our old equipment with brand new state-of-the-art technology, like the flatbed lasers and the tube lasers that we're replacing this year, as well as improving our test capabilities to provide better services to our customers who demand higher test output and from our equipment, from our products that we manufacture. So with our consultant CMI, we're looking at improving the way we work. We're currently doing a feasibility study on our office space to find better ways of our people working in line with our new vision, which is to have an agile and creative workforce working in environments that is conducive to that kind of thinking. The plan will be to revamp the office space both here and in the production areas in order to develop an area which is more flexible for the types of work that the teams need to do, in order for them to collaborate better and come up with more joined up thinking and better solutions for our customers.